This cost 800 euros and looks like 8,000 euros. Here are 5 pallet builds that prove luxury doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Number 5, Pallet Bed. At number 5, we have a pallet bed that proves great design doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Built from reclaimed wood, it combines a clean, minimalist look with practical functionality. The natural wood finish adds warmth and character, making it a stylish centerpiece for any modern bedroom. Number 4, Pallet Walk-in Closet. At number 4, we have a custom pallet walk-in closet that combines style with smart organization. Built from reclaimed wood, it offers plenty of space for clothing, shoes, and everyday essentials while maintaining a warm, natural look. Number 3, Pallet Reading Nook. At number 3, this pallet reading nook turns an unused corner into a warm and inviting retreat. The built-in bench offers comfortable seating, while the surrounding shelves provide plenty of space for books and decor. Soft lighting and natural wood finishes create a cozy atmosphere, proving that smart design can completely transform an ordinary room. Number 2, Outdoor Pallet Lounge. At number 2, this outdoor pallet lounge transforms a simple patio into a relaxing retreat. A stylish privacy wall, comfortable seating, and warm ambient lighting come together to create a space that's perfect for unwinding or entertaining. Number 1, Corner Pallet Shelf. Taking the top spot is this stunning corner pallet shelf that blends storage with timeless design. Built from reclaimed wood, it transforms an empty corner into a beautiful display for books, collectibles, and decor. The warm wood tones and integrated lighting give it a handcrafted, high-end feel. That's it for today's countdown. Which pallet build impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more premium DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching.